Are you looking for top-notch 3D scanning services in Dankaur, Delhi, NCR? Look no further. Scon Design India Private Ltd is here to cater to all your scanning needs. With their cutting-edge technology and expertise, they offer unparalleled services that will leave you amazed. Whether you need 3D scanning for architectural purposes, product design, or even for creating lifelike replicas, Scon Design India Private Ltd has got you covered. Imagine being able to capture the intricate details of any object or space with utmost precision and accuracy. That's exactly what 3D scanning services from Scon Design India Private Ltd can do for you. Their state-of-the-art scanning equipment ensures that every nook and cranny is captured in stunning detail, giving you a realistic representation of the scanned object. It's like bringing your imagination to life. What sets Scon Design India Private Ltd apart from other scanning service providers is their commitment to excellence. Their team of skilled professionals goes above and beyond to ensure that every project is handled with utmost care and attention to detail. They understand the importance of delivering high-quality results, and they strive to exceed your expectations every single time. With Scon Design India Private Ltd's 3D scanning services, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're an architect looking to create accurate models of your designs, a product designer seeking to enhance your prototypes, or even an artist wanting to bring your sculptures to life, their scanning services can make it happen. Their advanced technology allows for seamless integration with various design software, making it easier for you to work with the scanned data. Moreover, Scon Design India Private Ltd offers their services in Dankaur, Delhi, NCR, so you don't have to worry about geographical limitations. Whether you're located in Dankaur or any other part of the Delhi NCR region, their team is just a call away. Are you looking for top-notch 3D scanning services in Dankaur, Delhi NCR? Look no further because Scon Design India Private Ltd is here to provide you with the most exceptional and cutting-edge scanning solutions in the industry. With their expertise and state-of-the-art technology, Scon Design India Private Limited has become a leading name in the field of 3D scanning services. Whether you need to scan objects for reverse engineering, quality inspection, or any other purpose, they have got you covered. What sets Scon Design India Private Ltd apart from other companies is their commitment to delivering high-quality and accurate results. Their team of skilled professionals utilize the latest scanning equipment and software to ensure that every detail of the object is captured with precision. Whether it's a small component or a large structure, they have the capabilities to handle projects of any size and complexity. With their exceptional scanning services, you can rest assured that you will receive accurate and reliable data for your projects. One of the key advantages of choosing Scon Design India Private Ltd for your 3D scanning